No, nothing.
And then the toy, don't know. T. Never mind. I don't know. It's okay. I just put CD. After teddy bear, I use T. Okay? Good. 30% of the toy were toy cars. So 30% of the toy were toy cars, right? So that means this will be, so basically, let's say you start with the total. Okay, never mind. Good. So I use the letter C for car. I think it's better to use the word. Now you see, they try to be funny. Toy is T, teddy is also T. You see, they try to be funny. So you cannot use T, right? So cars is cars, toys is toys, then bears is bears. So let's say you start with the total, right? Can you see? You start with the total, right?
Yeah.
So they say 30% of the toys were toy cars. So what's the 30% of T?
30% of T is toy cars.
That means
3 out of 10.
3 out of 10 T is cars, right?
Yeah.
Does it make sense?
Yeah.
And now, so that means 7 out of 10 T will be for the toys and the bears. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
So that's the branch. Okay? And now it says the ratio of the number of toys to the number of teddy bear was 4 to 1. So that means 4 to 1. This is ratio, right?
Yeah.
Can you get this into fraction? Yep. So
1 out of 4 will be...
nope. 4 of 5 is toy. 1 out of 5 is bear. That's how you get 4 to 1. You cannot have 1 out of 4. Because if you have 1 out of 4, that will be 3 out of 4. And this will give you 3 to 1, right? Can you see? How do you get the fraction if they give you in ratio? Do you know? If you don't know, you can tell me you don't know. You know or you don't know?
I understand.
No, how I get it is this. 4 to 1 means the total unit is 5 unit. Okay? So now the toy is 4 unit, right? So it's 4U over 5U. That's why I get this. 4U over 5U. I simplify it, that's why it's 4/5. Does it make sense? So in this case, it's 1U over 5U. Therefore, it's 1 over 5. Okay? If you need explanation. Now, so therefore, 4/5 of this is toy. So I just write down 4/5 of this. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay? And then therefore, this is 1/5 of this. Maybe. Best. Before you continue to say sell or whatever, I think it's good to simplify. Otherwise, it's too complicated. So I'm going to simplify. Hold on, let me double check. Good. So can you give me the fraction here before I continue? Because otherwise it's too complicated.
14 out of 25T for the top one.
14 out of
25.
25T. Very good. I just use a bracket below. Or 7 out of 50, right?
7 out of 50, yeah.
Okay, good. So now, pretty clear. Then what it says, there were 156 more toys than toy cars. So that means, which one is more? So you focus on toy, compare with the cars, right? Right?
Yeah.
Which one has more? Toy more, right?
Yeah.
So that means this thing minus this. So it's 14 out of 25T minus the 3 over 10T will give you 156. So what do you get for the left hand side here?
19?
Where's 19?
It's 14, right?
Yeah, it's 14, right? Yeah, no 19. Where's the 19?
Right. Yes, just plain chunks. 13 out of 50.
13 out of 50T is equal to 156, right?
Yeah.
Okay, looks like I need to move it. Sorry, I need to move it slightly above. So can you get me the T?
600.
600. Very good. So the T is 600. Now you just put the T back, 600, right? So if 600 is T, toy cars is?
Sorry?
What's the cars?
180.
180. What is the toy?
The door?
Yeah? 14 over 25.
600 times 14 over 25.
Yes.
So it's 336.
336. Very good. Give me the last one. Pairs.
Oh. Made a mistake.
7 over 50 times 600.
7 over 50. Sorry.
No
84.
problem. 84.
Yeah, 84.
Very good. What they ask? After some toy cars were sold, 60% of the remaining toys in the shop. How many toy cars were left in the shop? Okay, now you get all this already, right? Now look at the last statement. What they ask? After some toy cars were sold. So basically your 180
Yeah.
sold, right? So I start 180. Now I need to start a branch to represent that the some toy cars were sold. Okay?
Yeah.
So you see, my toy cars is 180. I sold something. Do I know? I don't know. So I put a U, sold. Right? So what is left? 180 minus U left, right? Okay? So this is for the toy cars branch, right?
Yeah.
Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Then now it says 16% of the remaining toys. So that means this is 16%. Right?
So the new
16% of all the toys. Right?
oh
Right?
oh
So what is all the toys now? Is the toy cars? Anything happen to the toys or not? No, right?
no
Anything happen to the bears or not? No, right?
no
So the total right now is the toy cars
yeah
plus the doors untouched because nothing happened to the doors. Then the bears, right?
yeah
Nothing happened, right? So this is the total now, right? And this times the 16%. Let me get it to the next page. So okay, so you see, it requires a lot of space. So the smart thing to do next time is to write smaller at the start. Okay, so it's
small
yeah smaller, not too small. So just get this over 16%. Okay, I should get this. I mean this part. So it's okay, just bring it over here. Good. So they say 16% of the toys. So the total is this 180 minus U plus the 336 plus the 84 and 16% of it. 16% means what? 16%, right?
yeah
Is your toy cars, which is here, right?
yeah
180 minus U. And your job is to solve this equation once again. Okay, before we open the bracket, I think we can simplify first. Simplify the inside. Can you simplify the inside for me? Meaning, you have the 180, you have the plus this, you have the plus this. I think this will give you 600, right?
yeah
Can you help me verify?
356 plus 100 yeah 600.
Yeah, so this 3 number gone minus the U times, times 60% is also 0.16.
Yeah.
Then equal to this. And your job is to simplify this further. Open the bracket. What's the first arrow? 96. Second arrow 0.16U.
Yeah.
Okay? Then now can you see that you can actually it depends. It really depends which one to which one. I want to bring the minus U over, so we plus. Minus U become plus. 96 bring over become minus 96. Can you give me the no need 0.84 U, and this one will be 84. So U equals to 100. You see, if your mental is good enough, you can actually really do it fast. U equals to 100. That means U toy cars sold. That means 100 toy cars sold. Is the question asking that? No. How many toy cars were left? So I'm supposed to look at the left, which is here, right? So that means 180 minus 100, which is 80. So you see, there was no way you can get it wrong, because once you get the u, you put the u back to this, and then you look at the question what the question one. The question one's left, so you are supposed to look at the left, not the sod. And the sod, the left is actually 180 minus the u, which is 80. So the answer is 80.